Hey, this is Kyle from 541 Mark Holtz Motorsports. Today I'm working on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. It's got a 1.8 liter turbo, and I'd like to show you the damage that can happen if you don't replace and maintain your timing chain components. So they tend to go out about 60 to 100,000 miles, the timing chain tensioner and the guides. This one lost its tension, causing pretty catastrophic damage to the top end here. All the rollers, camshaft rollers, just disintegrated. Got pieces of them all over the place on both the intake and the exhaust side. So what we're gonna have to do now, we're gonna pull the timing chain, pull the camshafts, do a leak down test and see if the valves are bent, and go from there. Have to rebuild the top end here. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.